Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill 4-burner gas grill and stainless steel with griddle top, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by assembling your grill's cart frame. First, attach your grill's 4 cart legs to the bottom panel using 2 A screws apiece. Then, attach the cart side panels by loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws located on each cart leg, sliding each panel into place, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Next, attach the cart frame front to the top of your grill's 2 front cart legs using 4 A screws, 2 on each side. Now, with your cart flipped upside down, attach the tank bolt to the tank tray using 2 A screws. Next, we'll install your grill's 4 casters. On this grill, you should have 2 stationary casters and 2 locking swivel casters. The locking swivel casters should be positioned on the opposite side of the tank tray, with the stationary casters positioned closest to the tank tray. Then, install the stationary casters by disassembling their pre-installed nut and axle, sliding each caster into place, then reinstalling the nut and axle with your adjustable wrench. With your cart in place, now it's time to affix the firebox assembly on top. This step requires 2 people. With your cart flipped right side up, carefully lift the firebox assembly and place it on top of the cart. Then, secure the firebox assembly in place with 8 A screws, 2 on each corner of the grill cart. Next, we'll assemble your grill's side shelves. With your side shelf flipped upside down, attach 2 triangle brackets to each side shelf using 2 B screws per bracket. Once both side shelves are assembled, we'll mount them to your grill by loosening the 2 pre-assembled screws located at each corner of the firebox, sliding your side shelves into place, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Now we'll head inside the grill cart where we'll install your grill's cart basket. Slide the basket into place, like so, then secure its legs to the bottom panel using 2 B screws and 2 D washers. Then secure to the right side panel with 2 more B screws and 2 C nuts, making sure the teeth on the C nuts face toward the washer and side panel. Next, attach the regulator hose bracket to the inside of your grill cart's left side panel using 1 B screw from the outside of the cart and 1 C nut from the inside, making sure the teeth on the C nut faces the side panel. After that, we'll install your grill's grease box. Attach the grease box bracket by removing its pre-installed screws, sliding the grease box bracket into place, then reinstalling the screws. Once the bracket is secure, slide the grease funnel down into the hole located on the floor of your grill's firebox, just above where you installed the grease box bracket. Once in place, secure the grease funnel to the lip of the firebox using 2 B screws. Then from the back of your grill, slide the grease box into the grease box bracket, like so. Next, we'll install the heat shield by loosening the 4 pre-assembled screws located inside of your grill's firebox, sliding the heat shield into place, then retightening the screws. Now we'll assemble your grill's doors. To do so, remove the screws located at the ends of each door handle, align the door handle with the holes located on the front of the door, then reinstall each screw into its plastic seat from behind the door. Repeat this step to assemble the second door. Once both doors are assembled, angle the left door into the cart, bottom first, making sure to insert the pin into the bottom slot. Then press down the pin mechanism on top to click the door into place. Once the left door is installed, repeat this step for the right door. Next, we'll assemble your grill's lid. Just like with the doors, remove the screws located at each end of the main lid handle. Then align the main lid handle and 2 lid handle seats with the holes located on the front of the lid. Reinstall the screws from behind the lid to secure the handle in place. Next, grab a buddy to help you gently lower your grill's griddle top down onto the top of the firebox, guiding the griddle top's bottom brackets into their slots to secure in place. After that, we'll attach your grill's lid to the griddle top using 2 E screws and 2 F washers on the 2 rear corners of the griddle top. With your grill nearly assembled, now it's time to attach the liquid propane tank. Set your propane tank into the tank tray, then carefully and firmly connect the gas line to your tank. Once connected, Tighten the tank bolt to secure your tank in place. And finally, insert the included AA battery, negative end first, into the pulse igniter module on the front of the grill. Your Nexgrill 4-burner gas grill in stainless steel with griddle top is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.